Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a music to your post on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your phone number and security code. After logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, from which if you wish to make a post with music, then just click on the What's on Your Mind box from the homepage. From here, you will be allowed to make your post, and if you just swipe up from the bars underneath, then you will find the music option. Go ahead and tap on music, and now you can search for artists or songs directly using the search bar. Once you find this song, just tap on it, and you can now hear the preview by tapping on the play button. You can also add any pictures or media by tapping on the Add Media option. After making your desired changes and entering your caption, you may also tag your friends, and you can choose to share it on your Instagram as well as Threads account. Finally, whenever you're ready, you can tap on the post button, and now this will create the post with music on your profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to create a post along with music on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.